With more than 30 consecutive days of more than 1,000 deaths a day, Brazil is struggling to contain COVID. And in the UK, the race to contain the Brazilian strain of the virus continues. 6 cases of the so-called P1 variant have been identified here, and in the last 48 hours there's been a hunt for one unidentified person among them. Someone who failed to complete their test registration card. Today the Health Secretary said the search for them is now narrowing.
We've identified the batch of home test kits in question. Our search has narrowed from the whole country down to 379 households in the southeast of England, and we're contacting each one. We're grateful that a number of potential cases have come forward following the call that we put out over the weekend, but we do know that this variant has caused significant challenges in Brazil. So we're doing all we can to stop the spread of this new variant in the UK.
Today, a new scientific study told us so much more about the Brazil variant. Experiences from Manaus, the Amazonian city hit so hard by the strain, suggest it could reinfect up to 61% of those who already had COVID previously. But it's very early data, and experts stress it can't be used to predict what might happen in the UK.
Clearly, with the emergence of some of these variants, they do cause concern, which is why there's a lot of investigation into these, just to make sure that they don't have too great an impact upon the rollout of vaccines, which is the key weapon in our armoury right now to keep COVID cases low. But the public shouldn't be too alarmed by what's going on right now. It's important we do keep variants to an absolute minimum.
We also now know that 1 in 4 people in England are estimated to have antibodies against COVID. Levels are highest in the over 80s, the first group to get their jabs. Further proof that the vaccinations are working. Julian Drucker, 5 News.